Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything we don't concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Majority wants fraudulent foundation, fraudulent charity to stop in our land.
Okay.
You see, yes, and continue to type yes.
My God.
Let those joining us that we are not playing sentiment here. I don't play sentiment card. I don't play pity card. I am a lion. Lion. Share this video. Network is seriously affecting me here. I don't play sentiment. I don't work on my people's emotions. I don't play sympathy. I am a lion. Lion. You try me, I crush you. I want bomb on my plaster.
Nine.
I'm not gonna do. He must really pay me. She was like my mother when I was in Dubai. I bought her some gifts that I wanted to give to her, only for me to hear that he is dead. You didn't really pay me. Okay. I rented house for here. I bought leggings for here. I was always giving her money. He was like my mother. Many people did not even know that he was not like my mother. She was like my mother. Oh, a glasses, remember? Where my glasses? Make I put her for here. A glasses, remember only hang or a shovel. Maybe good. He maybe good. You when me come say maybe good. I may make a put good for here. When he come to us, he don't get anything. He was suffering. He never get to sleep.
Nine.
He and our children they quarrel. I can't see you. Why you and your children they quarrel? He say, our children abandon her. He say, our children abandon her. I can't tell you. I want to settle you and your children. He said, no, don't settle us. I just want to walk follow you for this your foundation. Don't settle us. I can't tell you, I must settle you because our people for diaspora will like you. When they entertain, when like your comedy, They say, make I say to you and your children. I can't put here for motto. I can't call EFS speaking. EFS speaking, not big. I can't call EFS second picking. EFS second picking, not big. EFS can tell me, say, leave my children. They don't want to take care of me. Nice. They want to make me suffer. I can't drive go meet here picking. I can't beg that one say, forgive your mama. Forgive your mama. I can't settle here and the children. They can't say, our people in diaspora. They can't say they want to bring money. May we rent us for here. I not gonna bring here account come out. I can't bring my personal account come out. Collins Imudia because my financial never get account. Ewo. Oh, yeah, mommy. Other side commenting. Even a Collins argument. A Collins argument again. People gonna say, yeah, too funny. Yeah, they pray for everybody. Yeah, na good woman. Now only they make us laugh. If we the verse, we come Facebook, we see here, we go just dey happy. So we want rent us for here, we want open business for here, we want do birthday for here. We can say, Collins, bring in your account, make we put money for your account. If you don't know how to go bank, you get pikin, you get 4 children. Here is from Ugoto. Bring in your account. Accountant said no. If we put money for your account, you don't know how to go bank. Here children not responsible. Here children not like you. They abandon here, make here they suffer. Make we put money for Collins Imudia UBA. We never open our financial accounts. ICPC. If we put money for our financial account, they will feel monitor us. But if we put money for my private account, they don't get right to ask me, say, how you do this money? Who get this money where enter your account? So if you want help here, put money for my account. So that's
nice.
please share this video. Network will disturb us, I beg. So that those who don't come on, may they come back. Please, if you enjoy what you see, if you feel me, give me like, please give me like, please give me like, give me like, give me love. Give me love, give me love, give me love, give me love, give me like, give me love. I want stop or make I continue. If you want me to continue, type yes. If you want me to stop, type stop. If you want me to continue, you type yes. Make I stop. For I thought say, don't send me. Make I stop. If you want me to continue, type yes. If you want me to stop, type stop.
Okay. Nice.
Yes, they said me I continue. No wahala. So, as I call it talk, people come look, they say, some of the muggles, because they say your financial not get account, will put money for your private account. Collins Imudia, UBA. I can't begin to use the money to they collect money on behalf of EA. I can't tell EA say, we go help you. We don't open account for EA. EA die. EA not get 50,000 naira for his room. EA not get 50,000 for his house. EA not get food for us. EA not get oil. EA not get indomie. EA come out. Go look for food. Make it chop. That motor take jam EA. As EA one crossroad, EA die. So my people, not be my fault. Not be my fault. I go to buy. I go to my birthday. I buy gift for EA. When I walk on show EA, before I go, now EA die. One boy they call my Thomas say, he dey destroy my foundation. Since I come, I never see money. All the people they give me money before. They say me I can't give account. I confused. My people, make una pity me. I get good intention. I get good intention to help people. But I don't know why EA go look for food. As EA they look for food, then EA die. My people don't be my fault. Anybody wait for that your sympathy video, for that your video laced with emotions, laced with emotional blackmail. Anybody wait for that emotional blackmail are illiterate. Anybody wait for when listen to that video and they fall, they be illiterate. And Collins, I give you the right to screw all the illiterate for social media. I give you the go ahead. I give you the go ahead from today to scam all the illiterate, to finish them. Money when they're supposed to send, they give their mama. Money when they're supposed to include us. Money when they're supposed to help their family. I give you the go ahead to collect their money. Finish them. Finish the illiterate that doesn't read between the lines. Finish the illiterates. Finish the illiterates. Finish them. That does not read between the lines or say, this guy is driving emotions. This guy is playing sympathy card. This guy is blackmailing us emotionally. We are supposed to be pitying the children of the deceased, but he wants us to pity him. He has a mother. He get auntie. Osakoloko he get mama. Sandra, his sister, get mama. His relative, all those boys, they get mama. He not bring their mama come out, come to do woman leader. He can't go bring the woman where Dio don't first use to chop money. Dio don't first finish woman. Not be the woman first said the woman they go from charity, foundation to foundation. They already taught the woman how to beg. That's why I hate begging. Peter, Elizera, go back wherefore. Agwe pai.
Nine.
I bet I hear say they say Collins say na 800K to join WhatsApp group. I bet check Mona go watch the video. Check the minutes where for talk am I want cut and comment. Cause I never watch the full video. The part when I watch for the video, I will soon play out. Now why they say, all my fans, all the City Naija give us network. Make we celebrate because finally we have crushed him. What thing I want to achieve, I don't achieve am. I also play the video where for talk am. I don't listen to the rest because the rest it they work on illiterate, it they work on our brain. So I give you the go ahead to finish all the illiterate, whether abandon their parents, whether abandon their loved ones, whether abandon their relative, whether they help. I give you the go ahead to finish them, Collins. Finish them. Okay, I am why I come. It be like people when they paid you again at the beginning. The way they say they regret now. Say, the boy not in my home.
Nine.
When I'm about to cast him, and I roll your bat. The boy not finish him. A limousine, my move the whole land. A cultural troop. My went to Italy. All of them will give John money at the beginning. They swear for John now. So all these illiterates when they chop their money and also say they swear for you. Maybe you do. I say maybe you do. Especially the illiterates when they chop their money. So once they don't hate you, they go drag you. But if we move where because you are an illiterate, you are broke. Now for your video, you dey measure Sandoka. Sandoka is an illiterate. So if you dey measure Sandoka, of course, Sandoka is an illiterate. Sandoka is a stark illiterate. When Sandra and Sandoka, I don't know. Sandoka is an illiterate, better illiterate. Now all the illiterate way my friend Akobe bring out that. Yes, Collins Imudia people, they call me, they want to give me information. Yes, people who decide, they want to give me information. People who decide WhatsApp group, they want to give me information.
Nine.
I don't want to play this video. The information that they give me so from Collins people. They want to see the video that they play. Luna Idia, Luna Idia, Luna Idia, Luna Idia. No wahala. Money when they use call say they make, it will so expose you. The whole world will so know you. Thank God say you know me. I don't want to expose you first. Luna Idia. And your video the night they play, so now they celebrate EA death, Abi. Luna. Everybody will surround and hate you now. Because you now be fraud.
Okay.
Collins Imudia boys. People will deal with them. Now they give all this my informant. The guy they use them. All the way and they take away. Now they give my informant information. Luna, make I leave you. Luna Idia, make I leave you first. I bet which one? Waiting. I bet I don't think they wash me. Waiting. Luna Idia they do. Tell me, Luna Idia. Then they give Collins money. I be then they arrange guests for Collins. I want to know. She never insult me. I don't know whether she did comment section. I know bring a picture comment. My informant they write me now.
Nice.
Okay, now Luna they give Collins money. Yeah, Luna they Germany. Now Luna gets to Collins on and they ask you that because they wash me. Now, my block my informant. Me no go know. She be not say, they write me steady like with my block away. I'm about to say. Oh, again, devil. Come, if you relate to Luna, maybe you be Luna's sister. She dey stay Germany. Collins don't finish with her sister. They say she dey pay Collins like white. A picture dey here. I bet tell me she don't carry her name go upper mission extension. And now I put the native dot name and picture for social media. But if you try me, I go put everything. She be they say call say want sue me. Now there. Maybe now may I never to talk. I know if you wait, make you sue me. They don't take this one name to upper mission extension. Informer tell me.
Nice.
My informant is typing. Informant is typing. Yes, if you dey watch me now, maybe you and Collins they do make swegbe for phone. I bet ask her who be Luna Idia. Luna Idia. I get many other things. Well, I know we'll talk am. I know we'll talk and finish today. Now, see my phone, they see everywhere don't full. Now, why Collins want try paint me bad? He want make me feel like say I dey fight everybody. I want to correct that impression. There are a lot of adult doing social media that I have never fought.
Okay.
There are those doing music that I've never fought. There are a lot that I am promoting. Comedians, actors.
Okay.
If you are hustling legitimately and you are doing well, I will promote you. But if you are a fraud, you want to come online, come deceive my people, I will expose you. Drag me to any court. You will be humiliated and you will be disgraced. Now he mentions Sandoka. See, in a sane society, the one that Sandoka saw it. Me make me when Sandra there. Oh my God, I will go UK talk. Then me, the one that saw it. Oh, Collins, I am sorry. I did not wish you happy birthday. But by kate, local kate. It's a local soup. The way I'm going to yell. It may want to look at soup. Why me young people neglecting talent? Why pushing her?
My God. Okay.
Don't tell me to leave Sandra. The friend of my enemy is my enemy. That's what it just be. My friend Sandra, I carry all say. Eddie Ogome, why? I don't be Sandra mate. She don't respect me. So don't tell me I don't mention Sandra. Because Collins mentions Sandra to slight me. To spoil my name. Then he mentions Osakwonokwo. Osakwonokwo is your gang member. All of them they play the game for Pobai together. And Alomigo now frustrated lunatic. The Meguoro now Alomigo start this fraud for Europe. They're going to sleep blessing house, they chop blessing money. I pursue her. I pursue her, Alomigo. Come up for Europe. If you are the best like Europe, since that time Alomigo don't enter Europe again. If you come from there, you can't cross enter UK. I pursue her for UK. I stopped Alomigo from selling ID card. So our brothers went there inside Abduro house. It was deceiving them. Say with PFA uniform, PFA cap, PFA ID card, if police stop you. I stopped the madness. Everybody can't help you here door. And I mean what you boo who are you bury say. Nesu one at boo one. Everybody can't you why you be here. I pursue an amigo. Other people want start foundation for Europe. They don't frustrate. They don't start foundation. I pursue the pastors. They call it mention an amigo. I mean, I'm going to call Nigeria where fear no let her enter Benin. A Boston where you mention, not be me a Boston go Lagos. Mary where Boston we go na Yerule Buwa. I can make webo Yegbere. If the time we are able to play, by this time when they go from hotel to hotel, they look for Jado, they go. It won't use me, they do what I not sabi do. I don't get to be a social person who are contrary or get me on highway. Possibly America, how we you since December, I never go greet any this December. Jado don't food the town. We meet for party, we meet for bar. After we say, "Hey, party, we want we say." Now, everybody, last year, everyone was using me to go from hotel to hotel. Ya rebata rewu. After I did go out, all of my hey, useless life. Yeah, so what did they tell you? They measure able. What should that person measure? Apostle, you know, sir. It may who you know, sir. Who knows that they use engineer level then they chop people money. See, oh my God, oh God. And we continue to expose you all. And I will not get good intentions towards our people. And we continue to expose you all. Uyinosa was the first to call you Collins a fraud. He was the first. No, after me was the second to call you out. When I give on here, he don't get chance in the fight food. In journey now. Like I say, in the fight this one. Tomorrow I'll say Abba and the PA don't quarrel. Abi, my former PA. Whatever the mail we up on. When you say that near usere. So we have succeeded in pulling Collins out. Collins now his plan was to come out on the 30th to address the people. But with my steady flogging, he don't get choice because in WhatsApp group don't scatter. He don't get choice than to come Facebook, come drive emotions. And at the end, my people still wait for WhatsApp. Make go talk for WhatsApp. We'll release a comment. We pursue a comment, make her addressable. Instead of the talk say, we were paying woman leader 50,000 every month. Look at the pay slip. I mean, foundation only get pay slip. I beg. Foundation will get workers. Here was their woman leader. They don't fit show us pay slip of Collins paying the woman monthly. Or slip of Collins say, you go to market America, you go to market UK, you go to market Italy, me. No proof. Watery talk, watery, just sugar, sympathy, sugar. The same sugar that is central yari wago, yeah, mwegbe, yeah, bolegbe. They go day on a day. Hello, you don't load the container. Okay. When you go arrive Nigeria, how much be the whole goods? 200,000 euro. Okay, how much are you to take pusher now? Go say 6,000 euro. Now let 3,000 euro I get to. Go say, no, if you don't push her this week, the container will come out to. They go, Caesar, are you sure? You sure? They go, Caesar. You know, gay. My love, I want push container.
Okay.
They don't go Caesar. Sugar. They go use match and collect money from you.
Okay.
When I go party, when they look for five boys, those five boys, they don't wash their skin, wash their body for you to chop your money. So, about following some fight, I fight with bad people. And I will continue to fight bad people. I support good people. Why I never fight with Jinsei Roots? Why me and the Dokolo never fight? Why me and Israel DMW PA to Davido never fight? Why me and Comrade Amadi? Many of them also make Gualo. But if I see say you be like this, I will push you. You're not gonna stay me. When able to win that video, tell you to me come to that video. You don't like media.
Nah.
Make do that video. When I interview him, make when I interview him, that bagby, that neckby, able to call me. Able don't like you. When the able so they play, when you beg able to beg me, ask able if you deny, I will pay Glow to bring our conversation out. I will pay. I don't already do research. I don't already ask question how much I need to pay for them to give us our column for 9 months.
Okay.
Deny. Uti phone. Where Collins Imudia now no. Now is a no-go area. Or where Ojino now where no one Ayodo. That's what Ibo told me. If you have a party or something, everybody is now with the local breed. It's wife one. We have a dog. We'll not be mates. He may will not go there. He may have your ticket. He may have community work.